Jane here with Home for the Harvest, and I wanted to show you how the woodland strawberry garden has come along. I don't think I made a video last year, but I posted on my blog about all the different strawberries that we were doing. We have alpine strawberries, a few French kinds, some that I have no idea what they are. And there is an article on my blog about kind of some of the tastiest kinds of strawberries to plant, so I'll put that link in the description. But we totally expanded it last year, and we have tons and tons of strawberry plants now. And some fun thing we did this year is we cut down our ornamental grasses in March. I know there's a video I have about winterizing perennials and how I like to leave the ornamental grasses up because they provide some winter interest. But in March, when the snow is melted, it's nice to take them down to make way for next year's grasses, and then use the grass to mulch. So these are, I'm talking Karl Forster hybrid grasses that they're not going to have any seeds that are going to grow a bunch of ornamental grasses in the middle of my strawberry patch. So in March we cut down all of our ornamental grasses and cut them into little pieces and just used it kind of as straw to mulch the strawberries. And it was really nice not to have to go out and buy mulch, and it was nice not to have to deal with all of the ornamental grasses after they'd been through winter. All I did was just cut them maybe into 8-inch pieces-ish. I just use these scissors, I just use plain garden scissors and cut them up into pieces and then place them all around the strawberries. When I mulched the strawberries, there was a few overwintered leaves, so I could kind of tell where they were. But I mean, you could do it later, it's fine. They were just having the first strawberry blossoms in the last couple weeks, so it's definitely still easy to mulch around the plants. I just put a thin layer down. I don't really worry about how thick it is. I just try to make sure that if there was a strawberry touching the ground, it would have a little bit of straw to rest on. I'm not terribly worried about weeds here. I've just replaced this soil last year, so it's fresh, nice, beautiful, OMRI listed soil. So yeah, it was really nice to be able to reuse last year's ornamental grasses as mulch for this year's strawberries. It was also nice to know where the straw came from, right? So I knew exactly what it was, and that was also really nice. I didn't have to go out and get it. I didn't have to carry it any farther than the ornamental grasses that we have around the yard. So there's a lot of benefits to using it to mulch strawberries. I've used it a little bit before, but this is the first time I've done a whole big patch with it. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how it goes this season. I'll post updates at the end of the season about whether or not I like it, but based on the little bits I've done before, I'm really looking forward to seeing how it turns out. If you like this kind of thing, I have lots of videos about gardening and lots more that I want to make. So please click the subscribe button, and that will tell YouTube to keep showing you videos like this. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to giving you some updates on these strawberries and hearing about your own strawberry beds and what are your favorite kinds of strawberries to grow and to eat. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.